Let's learn how you can add stickers on Instagram chat message. So let's start by opening our Instagram application. Now you need to go to your DMs and open the chat you want to send your sticker. Now you need to click on this option right here between picture and this plus sign on bottom right corner and click the one in the middle again. Now you can use already made stickers or GIFs. You can just hold them and move them around the screen and place it wherever you want. Now you can also add your own sticker by clicking on cutout, and now you can just click on the screen, tap to select the subject and click on create a sticker. Now Instagram will turn your picture into the sticker and you can use it as you used this Giphy thing that Instagram has. So when it's done, you just need to click on save sticker and it should be appeared under your stickers. So tap on it and hold it, and you can just move it on the screen later. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.